Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the January Frizeal Surprise Box. What it means by Surprise Box is that all boxes are unique and products will be sent randomly as a surprise without any personalization. So this box is priced at just Rs 450 including shipping, and it will contain 5 products from makeup, jewelry and lifestyle sections. Before I go ahead with the review, I want to request you all to please excuse my voice as I have not yet recovered completely from my tonsillitis, but it has been quite long since I did a video for you guys, so I thought of doing it today. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me. Inside we have the box quite nicely bubble wrapped here. And this is how the box inside looks like. It is a transparent plastic box, a very sturdy one, and it has the Frizeal logo on it. This is good for storing your jewelry later on as well. Once we open, we have all these products, so let's go through them one by one. So at first we have a set of studs, and this is how they look like. I absolutely love this set. It is so nice. The first one is in turquoise color with rust gold finish. Then we have a very cute pair of earrings in white stones, then a solitaire white stone, and then marble pattern pink color tops. Very pretty, very versatile. You can use this with any ethnic or western outfit as a casual wear or on day-to-day basis to college or to office. I like such simple and dainty pieces a lot, so I'm definitely very happy to receive this. Even though this is counted as one product, it is actually 4 pairs of earrings, so I am very happy with this product. And then we have this beautiful pair of earrings. It is very trendy, very stylish and very modern design. I love the pattern. It has this crystal stone in white here, and this wooden part is in navy blue color. It has 2 circles and it looks quite good on any western outfit. You can wear this with jeans and girly tops or with your single piece western dresses. But you can also wear this with Indo-Western outfits or with suits and kurtis if you want to look very stylish. If you wear this with a nice blue color kurti, then also this will be looking very stunning. A very modern pattern, that's why I like it a lot. And the quality, of course, I need not say, is very good. And then we have this very cute and quirky pom-pom and tassel earrings. It has a golden circle on which we have 2 pom-poms and quite a few tassels in between. Very stylish, very quirky. These are so much in trend nowadays. I don't like those multicolor pom-poms. I don't like them so much. But this is stylish yet not too childish, I feel, because the color combination is quite subtle, I feel. So if I want to look a bit funky on some day, this is something I would go for. Even though this is not a kind of jewelry that I like so much, I feel I can definitely wear it at times. So I'm not disappointed as such. And then we have something like this. It's actually a hairband which looks like this. It kind of looks like a braid done on hair. So it actually looks like a nicely done hairstyle using your own hair. The quality of this hairband is quite good. I'm very happy. It has this elastic at the end. This would look very pretty. This is a very simple accessory, but this is definitely going to enhance your look a lot. A bit unique but very dainty and very stylish pattern. I like such pieces which are not too much, and I am very happy for this. This is definitely my kind of accessory. And finally we have the star product in the box. This is the half and half long lasting gel eyeliner. It is smudge proof, 24 hours stay, and it has 2 brushes free inside. Here are the instructions on how to use it. So here they say how you apply it. We have the description and the ingredient details here. Use before is 4/20/20, which is quite a long way to go. Net weight is 4 grams into 2, that is 8 grams of product in total. So we have 2 shades here. One is 01 Jet Black and second is 02 Ash Brown. It claims to be waterproof, quick drying and smudge proof. And the cost of this product is 349 rupees. This in itself is a very affordable product but a very good quality product. I've actually used this and I like it a lot, but getting it in such an affordable box is definitely super awesome. So let me open it and show you guys. So here are the two tubs of gel eyeliner. There is this flat tip applicator here, and we have an angled brush as well, which is very essential to create a nice winged eyeliner. The first one is this half and half long lasting gel eyeliner in black shade. This is completely black, jet black, and really smudge proof and waterproof. I have already used this, so I'm not going to swatch this tub. I can keep it for a giveaway for you guys. And the other one here is this gel eyeliner in brown shade, and this is how it looks. It is quite a dark brown shade, which is very appropriate for Indian skin tone. I feel some of the gel eyeliners are not that dark, so it doesn't suit Indian skin tones much, but this is perfect for dusty skin tones as well. So this is definitely a star product in the box as per me. So those were all the products I received in my January surprise box from Frizeal. I'm definitely very happy. At a price tag of rupees 450 including shipping, it's an amazing box, especially because of the quality of Frizeal jewelry. It is really top notch, guys. There is no compromise on that part. Even in the affordable surprise box, I was quite happy with the makeup product I received too. You will be receiving different things in your box, but even last month I was very impressed with the contents I received. So I feel it is worth trusting the surprise factor in this box. From my experience, I think overall you would be quite happy, as the price tag is also very affordable. It is quite a good box to gift someone or to yourself. I do like surprises, especially the good surprises like this Frizeal surprise box. If any of you liked it and would like to order the surprise box, then all details are mentioned in the description box. The booking for this surprise box is only open till 25th of January, so make sure you book your box as soon as possible because they might get sold out. This is a really good deal. It was sold out last month very quickly, even before reaching the last date. So that was my review on the Frizeal surprise box of January. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.